But everybody know everything what my bar me so. So when me come to bar me woman and me I spend third day me come here every day me spend. So what me do? We come drink out and go. Tell the boss say me not coming back because I know everybody about it so. That's what I said where you go. Everywhere you go, a bartender, bank teller, and if you go in a trip, would I say? Every woman want money. When you talk for it, I don't like it, kill me. Like true that. You know what money? So we want in our life. And money make me have what me I do and do what me I do. You think I leave? So you know what money too. Me I big see that then.
Will you beg you something? You get the money?
You don't have to beg me, but if me come here and me rate it, then me know I spend for you. What if me that?
So spend now? Like how you talk, spend.
What? Spend what?
Spend. Yes, yes. Give me money. Cause you have said this and
what you want?
Give me anything. Give me. I never tell you say I was giving you nothing.
So when you give money for?
When you come talk about bartender this and bartender, but you know say I sell you never hear say me I sell poet. Eh?
That's you see it? Don't load up your thing. Just make it annoying.
Don't load up my thing.
Don't load me up because me come here peaceful. Me don't want a nice day.
What's my thing? I come here what to the third day. What you know about me? You class every other bartender, but I will not make you class me, and I'm not in the argument with you. You're drinking. Me came down one class me.
I when you left, we know what I want.
Yes.
Every bartender when you left, you know say the drunk.
Yeah, me a drunk for a long time.
You know what I tell you, when you left, everybody sit down on one table and talk. Rasta you never get it, but master can.
Yes. Okay.
You ready to come, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
No grum. No. You can look for me, you can kiss it, you can laugh. No grum.
Okay.
You come here, so I'm not going to flip on turn it up. You come here to make money and do it, man. You're not going to flip on turn it up. So if you come here to turn it up, you have to all that and that everybody to what? Chunk change, you have up it. You was on, you know what's on it. I'm going to disrespect you, but I'm going to try to tell you something.
Follow for more Jamaican
That's why
moments.
they are easy. Got to give them money. No fucking can't get pussy. Let them have a beg. And then if you go up and then you walk back and get to get the phone. You spend free phone. That's when member girl come back.
Sound like you're vexed because the man them a get a girl them and you're not getting none.
Yeah, I said last night member girl come back so we talk about 15 to 20 minutes.
I did not ask you that.
We can't get one girl to go to a club. What is the money we have?
You know, it seems like you don't get no girl, none at all a club you have to go.
I'm going to get my son on the 16-year-old.
That was 16. Life never beat you. Life never beat you.
You know about the
life don't beat.
Two sisters when we want to fuck. Because money make me fuck. Because mother and daughter want money too.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You don't want like you feel like. I don't that's why yesterday I have to lick down the buckle, man. And I come back.
Me lick down buckle, sir. You lick down the buckle yourself and broke it out there because I didn't have the sufficient funds to give you as yet.
No,
I'm talking to my customer. You are my man.
I'm busy with customers.
Why would you? Well, I don't understand. Why would you come here and see me talk to my customer them and repeat it that you have? Oh, mean man, I talk to you so. You're a madman. That's why I don't talk to you every day. You come here and tell me about bartender, this bartender for. Well, I don't care about who's who.
No, you. Simple. And that me ask you what me fi do. What you going on your own?
Of a hole.
Your own.
You're a madman. You're a madman. You are a madman. Okay.
Now pay my bill and cut.
Okay.
Call Fluffy make me talk to you. Let me see who I'm.
If Fluffy was here.
Where?
She just got in the car.
You see I tell him so me there. So I drink me come drink out my money.
And beats Fluffy one beats.
Because I that everybody do when me come and spend my money everybody makes because I bet you say me on the phone up here and it won't. And yes, I mean I say certain things man, because I broke pocket for this. We can tell Fluffy that in my face. Broke pocket bar.